Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream using Amul fresh cream. First, make sure your Amul fresh cream is very cold, ideally around 4 degrees Celsius. This is crucial for achieving a stable whip. Next, place your mixing bowl and beaters in the freezer for at least 15 minutes to chill them thoroughly. A cold environment significantly aids the whipping process. Finally, pour 200 milliliters of the chilled cream into your prepared cold bowl. Now let's get to whipping. Start your electric mixer on a low speed, then slowly increase it to medium-high. This gradual increase helps incorporate air evenly. Continue whipping until you see soft peaks forming. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes, depending on your mixer and cream temperature. Be careful not to overwhip. Stop as soon as the peaks hold their shape, otherwise, your cream might become grainy. Once your cream has reached soft peaks, it's time to add some sweetness and flavor. Gently fold in 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Powdered sugar dissolves easily, preventing a gritty texture. For a classic taste, add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you desire other flavors, like a hint of citrus zest or a touch of cocoa powder, now is the perfect moment to incorporate them. Mix until just combined. Your delicious homemade whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately over desserts, fruits, or beverages. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. The texture might soften slightly, but it will still be delightful. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.